Hi, it's Chanel from Teacher Foodie. Today we're gonna cook wonton with the air fryer. So here is the air fryer, and then first I will steam the wontons for around 5-6 minutes to get them unfreeze. So let's do it. So we put some water on the pot, and then when the water is boiling, we put the wonton inside to steam for 5 or 6 minutes. So after 5-6 minutes, we can close the fire and then take out the steamed wonton. First, let's put a little bit of oil on the grill of the air fryer. Then take them out. So after you put them on the grill, you can put a little bit of the oil on them to be able to make them crispy later. Okay, now it's ready to send to the air fryer. So I would say put it at 400 degrees and then air fryer, and then let's start the minutes, around 8 minutes. It's time now, so let's take it out. It looks good. Golden and crispy. Move them to the plate. So yeah, if you have an air fryer at home, you can also use this way. It's similar to do the fried wonton in the non-stick pan.
What sauce would you put with this?
Well, you can dip it in our vinegar-based dipping sauce, but for sure, if you have other sauce at home, you can also try your own